Hello guys, it's Onyx Woodhill. Thank you for joining me in today's video. I'm going to be showing you how to prepare green plantain porridge. I would love to go straight to the point. So first of all, I would love to show you the ingredients which I'm working with. I have frozen green plantain here, which I have shown in my previous video. I'm going to put a link below the description box to show you how this is preserved. Then I have some other ingredients for preparing this. I have some meat here. I'll be combining beef with chicken. I have blended crayfish, red onion, palm oil, seasoning stock cube with salt, dry catfish. I have this leafy vegetable. I'm using ugu. You can use spinach. Okay, so let's start with the ingredients by cooking the meat, then cut into tiny pieces, then fry. Then I also love to dress the dried catfish, chop the ugu leaf, and also combine the pepper with the tomato to blend together. That's just what I'll be doing right away. Okay, so I had to reduce the pepper and the tomato into smaller sizes. The blender can blend this easily. You can choose to add a little water, or if your blender can blend without water, you can just do that without adding that. I don't like it very smooth. I had to blend it into chunky paste, so that's it. If you love it smooth, you can continue blending until it's smooth. To make this porridge, we are going to place the pot on fire, then add the palm oil into it. After you've added the oil and it's heated, you're sure it's hot, you're going to add in onion. I'm going to first of all add garlic. Sorry I didn't mention that. You can choose not to add garlic. I'll just stir fry this for a minute until the onion is properly fried. When you start to perceive the sweet fragrance, you bring the blended pepper with tomato inside and stir fry. I'm going to place a lid over it and allow it to cook properly before adding other ingredients. I've left this to cook for about 5 minutes, so the tomato is soft. Let's start adding the ingredients. Okay, so I'll start by adding the crayfish. I'll add in some seasoning stock cubes. That's just 3. Just make sure you stir it properly. Now I'll add a very little salt to it. I'll add meat stock to it. I just added the meat water that I used to cook the meat into it, so I'm still going to add more. I have this one that was in the freezer for a while, so I'll add it. Just make sure you reduce the seasoning cube and the salt you are going to be adding into this so it doesn't become salty at the end. So once I've added that, I'm still going to leave this to melt. This has come to a boil. I'll be adding the dried catfish that I have dressed already. This is the frozen plantain. I just emptied it from the bag, so I'm going to bring it into the pot. I'll just add it while it's still frozen and I'll allow it to separate in the hot boiling liquid. Just going to stir everything to combine. If you have raw plantain, you can start afresh. I have already kept this in the freezer. After I've stirred this, I just noticed it needs more water, so I'm going to add that, then cover it and allow it to boil again until the plantain is soft. Okay, so I'm going to bring in the fried meat back to the plantain porridge. That is after cooking it for 15 minutes, and I'm sure the plantain is soft. If you feel your plantain porridge is very thick, you can add a little water to it. To adjust the consistency, you can add water to it. I'll leave it to boil again. This time around, I still come back to it, stir, test for seasoning. If there's any need to adjust, you can adjust or add more seasoning to it to test. So we have this delicious plantain porridge, so I'm going to bring in the vegetable into it. You can use spinach or any of your preferred vegetable in this. So I'm using ugu, which is fluted pumpkin. So after adding the vegetable, I just make sure I give this a good stir, just to make sure everything is properly combined. I'll still place the lid over it and allow it to boil. After adding the vegetable, I left it to cook for just 2 minutes because I don't want the vegetable to overcook. So I'm just going to bring this off from heat, and our plantain porridge is cooked. Look at how delicious it is. I hope you would love to try this out. And our delicious green plantain porridge is ready. I can't wait to have a taste of this. I hope you will try this out. Let me know what you think about plantain porridge. And if you like this video, give me a thumbs up, share with your friends, and also remember to subscribe to Onyx Food Hill. Thank you for watching. Until next time, bye.